Hello, my families. I want to take you through how to use the Google Classroom because this is how students will be getting to their lessons for my class today. So this is a really fun way to have them practice what we've been learning in class and virtually. So what they need to do is spend half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the afternoon looking over my Google Classroom. First thing they will do is to edit the morning message. I see lots of spelling mistakes in the morning message. So have your child get a piece of paper and a pencil, and they will rewrite the morning message, fixing any spelling mistakes that they see. I see a lot of them. Next, what you need to have your child do is click, okay, and I
Hello, my
made a video
friends. We are
of how to make the E-E-A sound spelling pattern. Okay, so they need to be able to do that. Again, should take them 10 minutes to watch. And next, what they will do is they will read this book. You just click the link, and that'll take you to a lesson for reading. Okay, after that, you can have your lunch. After lunch, spend some time doing the math lesson. You click that link and it will take you, okay, and then you also will do this video about place value charts, and this is a book about
this
the life cycle of frogs, but of course there is a little bit of an ad before we'll take you to it. All right, so you just click the PDF link below and it'll bring you right to Miss Dimick's Google Classroom. Have your child work for 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the afternoon in order to have been in class today. I will go over a lot of the answers to the videos I made tomorrow, so that'll give me a chance to see who sat down and did the work and who did not. Okay, so enjoy the Google Classroom day and please check out all the videos because I spent lots of time thinking about what you would like to learn with me today. Okay, have a wonderful day. Message me if you have any questions about getting to the Google Classroom, and I'll be happy to help.